Hey everybody. I want to do a little video of my grandparents' furnace. The furnace is located in the attic. I have no time to do that. But anyways, I want to show you a really cool, like a heater video. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be very quiet in the video, and as soon as Grandpa gets done with something, then I'll turn it on. So I'll be right back in a little bit. Alright, now that Grandpa's done, let's get started. Now the fan just turned on. That's the flame. And there's the fan. There's one in my room. There's one in the laundry room as well. Well, there you go, everybody. Just want to show you guys that. Should be the last time I'm running this heater for the year, for the season. Well, I thought I would like to do this video. So anyways, hope you enjoyed.